Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your handwriting in Goodnotes looks messy or uneven, don't worry. Goodnotes includes simple tools to help you straighten lines and make your notes look clean and professional. First thing, in this guide, I will show you step by step how to straighten handwriting lines in Goodnotes in 2026 easily and accurately. So use the shape tool for perfect straight lines. So if you want perfectly straight lines, select the shape tool. Okay, draw a line roughly, hold your pen at the end, don't lift immediately. Goodnotes will snap it into a straight line. Okay, so this is perfect for underlines, separators, or diagrams. Okay, use ruled or guide paper templates so to keep handwriting straight. Tap add page. Okay, after that, choose a template like ruled paper, guide paper, dots paper. Okay, so write along the lines to naturally stay straight. Okay, so you have here many options. So this is the easiest method for beginners. You can also zoom in while writing, so zoom window tool. So for more control, activate the zoom window right inside the zoom box, follow the guideline inside it. Your writing becomes more controlled and aligned. Okay, so it's great for neat and consistent handwriting. Okay, you can also use the lasso tool to adjust position. Okay, so if your line is slightly off, select the lasso tool, circle your handwritten line and drag it slightly up or down. Align it visually with other lines. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.